Let's learn how to block someone on TikTok who has blocked you. If you want to know how to block someone on TikTok who has blocked you, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. If someone has blocked you on TikTok, you won't be able to find their profile. You might try searching for their username on TikTok, but you won't have any luck finding them. But don't stress about it too much. When someone blocks you on TikTok, it means they've restricted your access to their account. This means you won't be able to see their profile, videos, or any other content they've posted. Additionally, you won't be able to follow them or interact with their account in any way. Because you're already blocked by this person, you won't have the ability to access their profile to block them back. Essentially, TikTok prevents any further interaction between both parties once a block is in place. Therefore, there's no need for you to worry about blocking them back, as the platform ensures there's no interaction between you and the person who has blocked you. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.